Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. It's going to be very windy today. Right now we have like 5 to 8 mile an hour winds, but it's going to get up to 25 mile an hour winds with 40 mile an hour gusts. So this would be a good time to show you this technique. On these windy days, I like to just empty BIC ignite or solar ignite some punkwood, pile it in the Hobo stove with a little bit of fuel, and just let all these winds and breezes blow it and fan it into flames. Let me show you how to take these guards off. Alright, the child guard that's usually across the striker wheel I've already pulled off, but I like to take my knife, and people on YouTube try to make it seem like you could almost just pop that off with your fingernail. You cannot. I like to get right up underneath here, like bore a little hole so I can get the tip of my knife underneath there and pry it off right there at that indentation. And it pops off rather easily. We'll put some fuel in there first. All right, this is not too complicated. Put your bigger pieces of fuel wood in, your little pieces, maybe some of your harder punkwood. Crumble some of it up. And like I've shown you many times before, punkwood is wood that's been affected by the dry rot fungus. You can push in on it, squeeze in on it, and it'll spring right back out. Alright, just going to take a piece of the good punkwood, the soft stuff. Put it under this striker wheel. Hold it in there with your finger. Strike it off on your palm. It doesn't take much before it ignites. Now we'll transfer that ember to some of the punkwood that's already in the stove. Crumble up, put some of this powder on top of it, which will increase that ember, and at some point these winds will fan those embers, make them hot enough to send everything to flames. So it's a great way to make fire in the wind. Alright y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. Let's go to time lapse.